Hello, hello, welcome to my YUMBO video. Who remembers the good old YUMBO? Alright, here's a little bit of history for you. So, an American bloke moved over to Australia. His name was Mr. Durbin. He opened his first Burger King in Adelaide in 1962, with waitresses on roller skates serving customers in their cars. Eventually, he expanded the operation to 17 restaurants, mainly in South Australia, which was around the time I was a kid and we used to buy YUMBOs. So, let's do this. First thing we need is a microwave. Then we need a small plate with a piece of paper towel. Every time you make one, use a separate piece of paper towel so they don't stick, alright? Hamburger rolls. Okay, we want the proper looking ones. Okay, you want them exactly like that with the seeds and that on them. The brand I normally get is these Mighty Soft ones. But I've used IGA home brand ones as well, and they're perfect. They're almost all perfect in the microwave. It doesn't matter what brand, just these sort, okay? Alright, so we need the rolls. Now, I like to use coon cheese, but that's just my favourite melting cheese. But wherever you are in the world, whatever cheese you like for melting, use that, okay? I normally get the block, but this time I've got slices because that's all they had. So, cheese. Now, I've got ham from the deli section of the IGA. So, you can get ham, packet ham, whatever you want, sliced ham. Or, if you want to use up your leg ham, which is, this is awesome for it, just try and cut your leg ham thin slices and then layer them up. And some butter. So we cut the rolls in half and we butter them. Now we layer it with our ham. So I'm using these ham slices. So I tend to use 3 of them. And like I said, if you've got your leg ham, just layer it up. You don't want too little or your burger will be dry, and then you don't want too much. So there we go, like that. And cheese. Alright, these sliced ones, that make it easier. So you want to put, I think, 2 layers of sliced cheese on there. Like a saw. Alright, lid goes on. Get our plate with our paper towel. We want to turn the burger upside down on the plate. And we want to put it in the microwave, and we want to nuke it for 1 minute 20 exactly. Alright, once she's done, you want to carefully pick her up without burning yourself, flipping her over. Boom. There we have it, my friends, the good old YUMBO. Remember them being really soft and the burger just melts in your mouth and... Well, if I don't catch us tonight for the live show, Merry Christmas, have a really good, safe one. Lots of love to all of you, and I'll see you next year. Bye!